Hello everyone, welcome to Management e-learning. In this video lecture, we are going to complete Human Resource Management Unit 1. This unit is very important. Exam में इससे directly इस video lecture से आपको directly minimum 5 question पूछने वाले हैं. And this all topics are very important for your exam point of view. Okay, तो quickly हम लोग देखेंगे Essentials of Human Resource Management. We will see Essentials of HRM, basic foundation of HRM, then function of Human Resource Management, HRM versus HRD, Human Resource Management versus Human Resource Development, then strategic HRM, SHRM introduction, characteristic, scope, then strategic human resource management role in strategic formulation and implementation, barrier to strategic HRM, linking HR strategy with business strategy, role of HR manager, role of HR in merger and acquisition, technology and HR and changing role of HR due to technology, HRM linkage with TQM and productivity. ओके सो दिस वीडियो इज द फाउंडेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, जिसमें हम लोग एचआरएम एंड स्ट्रैटेजिक एचआरएम का कंप्लीट कॉन्सेप्ट देखेंगे एंड वीडियो से मिनिमम आपको 5 क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली पूछने वाले हैं. तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. एसेंशियल्स ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट. वी विल सी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एचआरएम, नेचर ऑफ एचआरएम, ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ एचआरएम, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ओके, सो हाउ यू डिफाइन द ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट? Human resource management refers to the strategic approach of managing people in an organization to maximize their performance and help their organizational goal. Human resource management एक strategic approach है जिसमें human resource को manage करते हैं, organization के human resource को manage करते हैं ताकि organization को maximum performance मिल सके और help हो सके organizational के goal को achieve करने में. Okay, so HRM is about managing people effectively at the workplace. Okay, what is HRM? Managing the people effectively at the workplace. So human resource management is the process of recruiting, selecting, training, developing and managing the employees in an organization to achieve both individual and organizational goal. Okay, so HRM means right person, right job at right time. Okay, it focus on hiring, training and managing the employees. Okay. Okay, now human resource management include function like recruitment, selection, training, performance management, compensation, employee relation, legal compliance. Okay, human resource management HRM focuses on aligning the employee's ability with organizational need and creating a positive work environment. Okay, so HRM focus on aligning the employee's ability with the organizational need and creating a positive work environment. These are the basic function of human resource management. Okay, objective of human resource management. Objective of human resource management are the goals that help in managing the employees effectively in an organization. Okay, it helps in achieving the organizational goal. Resource management ensure the organization meet its target through the efficient employee. Second goal is the right person for the right job. Select the suitable employees for the right position at the right time. Third is the improve employee performance. Increase the productivity through training and motivation. Fourth is the training and development, providing and developing the skill and knowledge to employees for a better work. Okay, and fifth is the maintaining good industrial relation, creating a healthy relationship between the management and employees. Okay, sixth is employee satisfaction, providing the fair wages, good working condition and job security. Seventh is the optimum use of human resource, optimum efficiently use of the human resource which reduce the cost and increase the output. And eight is the ensure employee welfare, take care of health, safety and well-being of employees. Okay, so these are the basic objective of human resource management. Function of HRM. एग्जाम में आपसे पूछते हैं ऑपरेटिव फंक्शन ऑफ एचआरएम एंड मैनेजरियल फंक्शन ऑफ एचआरएम. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे फंक्शन ऑफ एचआरएम को 2 कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया गया है, मैनेजरियल फंक्शन ऑफ एचआरएम एंड ऑपरेटिव फंक्शन ऑफ एचआरएम. ऑपरेटिव फंक्शन दैट मींस एचआरएम कैसे ऑपरेट करती है, एचआरएम के अंदर क्या आता है. Okay, managerial function is the basic function of the manager. Okay, so managerial function, planning, organizing, directing, controlling. Managerial function of human resource management is the planning, organizing, directing, controlling of the human resource. And operating function like recruitment and selection, training and development, compensation management, performance appraisal, employee welfare and safety, industrial relation. Okay, आपकी जो others unit है उसमें डिटेल में ये सारे टॉपिक को देखना है. Okay. Okay, now function of HRM, operative function of HRM in detail. Okay, recruitment and selection, finding and hiring the right people for the right job. It includes job analysis, job description, advertising, interview and selection. Ensure the organization get the skill employee. Okay, and secondly, training and development, provide the employees with necessary skill and knowledge. Provide the employee with the necessary skill and knowledge. It help in career growth and future role. Continuous learning, improve the performance and engagement. Third है आपका performance management. Monitoring and improving the employee performance, setting standard, evaluating work and giving feedback, ensure the employee contribute to the organizational goal. HRM के अदर यूनिट्स में ऑपरेटिव फंक्शन ऑफ HRM का डिटेल ही पढ़ना है, ठीक है. ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट डिटेल में देखेंगे, परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट डिटेल में देखेंगे, ओके, रिक्रूटमेंट एंड सिलेक्शन डिटेल में देखेंगे, ओके. ये मैं जस्ट गिविंग यू आइडिया कि किस फंक्शन के अंदर क्या आएगा, ओके. नाउ कंपनसेशन एंड बेनिफिट प्रोवाइड द फेयर सैलरी एंड इंसेंटिव. इट इंक्लूड बोनस, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, रिटायरमेंट बेनिफिट, पेड लीव, हेल्प इन अट्रैक्टिंग एंड रिटेनिंग द एम्प्लॉय. देन फिफ्थ है आपका एम्प्लॉय रिलेशन, maintaining good relationship between the employee and management, resolving conflict, promoting the teamwork, ensure a healthy work environment. Then six is the compliance with the labor law, ensure the organization follow the labor law. Labor law include the rules related to minimum wages, working hours, safety and discrimination law. Then workforce planning, planning future workforce need, ensure right number of employee with the right skill. It include forecasting, recruitment and restructuring, help in achieving the long-term organizational goal. 8 is employee engagement and motivation. Keep the employee motivated and engaged. Create the positive work culture. Recognize the achievement and provide the growth opportunity. Okay. Then HR data and analytics. Using data to make the HR decision and analyzing the recruitment performance and employee turnover. Help in better planning and improve the efficiency. So these are the basic function of HRM. Okay. Now we will see the nature of HRM. Nature of HRM. It is strategic in nature. HRM is the strategic in nature, aligned with long-term organizational goal. Okay. It helps in developing the policy and practice, act as a partner in achieving the business success. Okay, so HRM is strategic in nature. It helps organization to meet the long-term organizational goal. और organization के long-term goal को meet करने के लिए strategic HRM help करता है to developing the policy and practice. And HRM is act as a partner. HRM is act as a partner in achieving the organization success. ठीक है? It is people oriented. People oriented, focus on managing the people effectively. Ensure employee well-being, development and productivity, align personal goal with organizational goal. ठीक है. Third feature है continuous process. HRM is ongoing, not one-time activity. Start from recruitment and continue through training, performance evaluation, career development, and adapt to change in organization and environment. Okay. Strategic in nature, people-oriented, continuous process. Then development-oriented, focus on continuous growth of employee. ठीक है. It include training, skill development, career advancement. So enhance the employee capability and organizational performance. Fifth है comprehensive function. It covers wide range of activity. Recruitment, selection, training, compensation, performance management, employee relation. And sixth है आपका mutual benefit. Balanced goal of the organization and employees. Okay, provide the fair compensation, good working environment and growth opportunity. Okay, pervasive function. HRM is present all level of the organization. ठीक है, lower level, middle level, top level. So HRM is pervasive in nature, present all level. ठीक है, apply every department and employee, essential for overall efficiency and productivity. Now, importance of human resource management in the organization. Importance of human resource management in the organization. It helps in achieving the goal, right person at right job, increase productivity, improve employee satisfaction, maintaining the good relation. Six is the employee development. Seventh, ensure discipline and control. It is reduce cost. So these are the importance of HRM in organization. आप explain कर दीजिएगा. Already I have explained. Okay. So these are the essential of HRM, basic concept of HRM. Okay. Now we will see the human resource development. Human resource development. Okay. So what is human resource development? HRD is the process of developing the skill, knowledge, ability of employees. It improves the employee capability. Human resource development is the process of developing the skill, employee knowledge and employee ability to improve the capability of employee. ठीक है, एम्प्लॉय के नॉलेज को, स्किल को, एबिलिटी को डेवलप करते हैं ताकि उसका कैपेबिलिटी, उसका परफॉर्मेंस इंक्रीज हो. ओके ओके, तो हाउ यू डिफाइन? तो HRM is the process of developing the skill, knowledge and ability of the employee. HRT means improving employees so that they can perform their job better. So HRT focus on learning, training and growth of employee. It helps employee become more capable and efficient. Okay. Okay, so human resource development is the process of improving the employee's skill, knowledge, ability through the planned training and development program. It helps employee to perform better and support the organizational growth. Okay, तो human resource development क्या एक process है जिसमें employees के skill, knowledge, ability को develop करते हैं, employee के capability को, employee की performance को improve करते हैं ताकि individual and organizational goal both meet हो सके. Okay. Okay, so human resource development include the activity like training, education, career development, coaching, mentoring. It focuses on improving the individual performance, developing teamwork, achieving the organizational goal. Characteristic, feature or nature of HRD, human resource development. It is a continuous learning. HRD promote the regular learning so the employee can adapt to change and new technology. It is a systematic approach. HRD follow the proper process like planning, implementation, and evaluation. Third, employee empowerment. Employees are given the opportunity for self-improvement, career growth, skill development. Fourth, performance enhancement. HRD improve both individual performance and team performance. Fifth is the organizational development, aligning the employee growth with the company goal to achieve the success. Sixth is the support for change, help employee to adjust new technology, market change, organizational change. Seventh is the measurement and evaluation. HRD check the effectiveness of training program and their impact on performance. HRM manage the people, HRD develop the people. Okay? Human resource management manage the people effectively and efficiently to improve the organizational performance and meet the organizational goal. And human resource management develop the human skill, enhance the knowledge, skill, and ability of the human resource. These are the difference between the HRM and HRD. Human resource management managing the employees in the organization. HRD developing the employees' skill and ability. Human resource management is the administrative and management function. HRD is the growth and development. Nature of HRM is the wider concept. HRD is the part of the HRM. Objective of HRM is efficient use of human resource. Objective of HRD to improve the employee performance, employee capability. Approach of HRM is the short-term operational. Approach for human resource development is the long-term developmental. Activity included in HRM is the recruitment, selection, compensation, development, training. And HRD activity include training, career development. Human resource development is the part of HRM. Human resource management का एक part है. Goal of HRM to achieve the organizational goal. And goal of HRD is the employee growth and capability building. Okay? Okay, तो हम लोगों ने complete कर दिया human resource management. Concept of human resource management, function of human resource management, difference between the human resource management and human resource development. Now next part, unit 1 के next part में हम लोग देखेंगे strategic human resource management. Okay, we will see strategic human resource management, role of HR in strategy, barrier to strategic HRM, linking HR strategy with business strategy, role of HR manager, role of HR in merger and acquisition, technology and HR, changing role of HR due to technology, and HRM linkage with total quality management and productivity. Okay, तो ये सारा टॉपिक हम लोग पार्ट 2 यूनिट 1 के पार्ट 2 में देखेंगे एंड दिस टॉपिक्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, मैंने बहुत ही अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया, आप जरूर देखिएगा. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जाम. ये पार्ट 1 है, पार्ट 2 में अपलोड कर रही हूँ.